Section D. I can use 2-5 notes to help with this one. At the top, the directions say which line has a faster rate of either miles per hour, minutes per psi, and ounces per second. Now we have to be very careful on this one. Okay, they look all the same. The first one right here, we can see that our x value is time in hours, and our y value is distance in miles. And we're looking for the faster rate. So if you want to find the faster rate, you always got to look at time. And what you do is you take a straight edge and you draw a vertical line straight up. Okay? And if you look where these lines cross, here and here, you can see that the B line, let's say that this is at 2 hours, and we look over here, it's gone at 2 hours, it's gone this far. But at the 2-hour mark, the A line has gone over a farther distance. So as you go up, the distance gets longer. So let's say that this one was 2 and this one was 3. So the story here would be at the 2-hour mark, the B line went 2 miles, but the A line had already gone 3 miles. So it's traveling faster. And it doesn't matter where you draw this vertical line. You can even go over here, and you have 2 different marks then. And let's call that the 4-hour mark. Well, you look straight across, and you can see that the A has traveled farther because it's going at a faster rate. So on this one, we say line A. This next one, we have to be careful because the minutes are not at the bottom. This is air pressure on the bottom. Like say if you're filling up a basketball with air or filling up a bicycle tire with air, you have PSI. How much pressure is inside the tire? All right, so over here we have time in minutes. Okay, so on this one, since our minutes are on the Y side, we want to draw a line that goes across. All right, and at this point right here and right here, that is the same amount of time. Let's say that that is the 5-minute mark. Well, if you look down at A, how much PSI is now in the bicycle tire? Let's say that that is 10 pounds. And then if you look at the 5-minute mark with B, you look down here and how much air pressure is in the bicycle tire. Let's say that that is 18. So it takes 5 minutes on line A to get 10 pounds, and it takes 5 minutes on line B to get 18 pounds. Well, 18 pounds filled up, or 18 pounds of pressure in 5 minutes is a faster rate than 10 pounds of pressure in 5 minutes. So B is your answer here. So it's alarming because it's a lower line. It's just because that the time is now located on the y-axis rather than the x-axis. And on the first one, you had the time on the x-axis. So you got to pay attention to where that time is. Okay, this next one here, we have time back on the bottom here, which is very nice. It's in seconds, and then our y is gulping, ounces. How fast can you drink a big gulp? All right, so we want a vertical line from the time sign going straight up, and we have our 2 points here. And let's say that this is, the 20-second mark. Okay, and at the 20-second mark, after 20 seconds of gulping, if you look over, you consumed this amount of ounces of soda. But if you looked over here, you would have gotten more ounces of soda. So the B is consuming more. It's at a faster rate. So the answer is B here. And now time is back to our x value. Now it's most likely that you will always see time as the x, but sometimes beware, every once in a while, about maybe 1 out of 10, the time appears on the y-axis. So these ones are normal, and this one's a normal, and this one is kind of an odd situation. So normal, normal, odd. Fill out your mastery scale, 0 knowledge, or I am absolutely ready. So, or somewhere in between.